Today we will remember the glory of our Gurudev just for purifying our mind. This empirical God whom you can touch, whom you can see, whom you can hear is called the Guru. Our Gurudev, first I feel, he was not a teacher. First he was the mother. Teacher came later. He never missed to nourish us from his Gita, from his own experiences. One who feeds the external food, we are so indebted. One who feeds Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and takes away the pain of our subtle body, of our rebirths, how big that mother will be. Somebody's birthday was there, and the cake was brought, and he took a spoon and took the cake and gave to that woman. After that, with the same spoon, he started eating. She said, "No, let me wash or give me another spoon." He said, "No, you are my child. Like you need milk, you need food, you need fruit. To keep your external body in a healthy position, you need words of the life teacher. Guru maa na ho, to teacher nahi hota hai." Second form of Gurudev was his father's form. You will not believe he was very strict also. Very, very strict. Guru Kumhar Shishya Kumbh. Like the pot is made, it hits, the potter hits from the outside, but from inside he is holding that. Tumhe mata cha pita tumhe. He was a pita also. That discipline was there. Because he lived with two great disciplinary saints. One was Shivanandaji and the other is the... Both were very strict in their disciplines. In Jodhpur he came. King of Jodhpur came, but he was late. And as he entered, he said, "Stop, stay at the back." Ultimately, when talk was over, he came to offer namaskar. He said, "Next time, come on time." If you don't have a discipline of spiritual life, won't be smooth for you. He was a bandhu. Bandhu means badnati. With his love, with his charm, he used to bind us so that we are not bound by the world. Those who are bound to the teacher, they are not bound to the world. Those who are free from the teacher, they are bound by the world. He was Sakha. He used to joke. He used to make at ease. One wife was there. Her husband was a doctor. He was distributing prasad. Apple came. He said, "Don't give to your husband." So he was Sakha also. He used to play also. He used to go to the children and say, "Stroke my beard." With the youngsters, he was the youngest youngster. With the Bal Vihar, he was the youngest child. With the sannyasis, he was the most adorable, quiet sannyasis. Now I am coming to Vidya. Mata Pita, Bandhu Sakha, phir Vidya. Gurudev was institution. You know what is institution? When you go through institution, your qualification increases. When he came across you, your internal qualification of loving, of understanding, increased manifold. He was not a person. He was a moving institution. He used to teach through his actions, through his ways. He was a teacher, par excellence. Next, he was a Tirtharaj, moving Tirtharaj. People thought he is a Jnani, but he was a Bhakt Jnani, Karma Yogi. To me, what he told, one sentence, learn to cry for God. The devotion was there in him. He was Tirtharaj. He was Brahmanist. I never took Gurudev as a Mahatma. For me, he was Lord. His Karuna was there. His Prem was there. His Vishwas was there.